If paint cracks after anchor repair, the underlying issue is almost always a problem with how the patch was prepared, dried, or finished. When repairing a drywall anchor hole, start by removing any loose paper and dust around the void and widening the opening slightly so you have clean drywall to bond to. Use a high-quality setting compound for deep voids and a lightweight finishing compound for final coats, because the first type cures by chemical reaction and will not shrink as much, while the finishing compound sands smoother. Apply the setting compound in thin layers and allow full cure time between coats, following the manufacturer guidelines. Since a tacky or partially cured layer will deform under paint, feather each successive coat at least 2 to 3 inches beyond the previous edge to blend the repair into the surrounding plane and sand with a fine grit until the surface is flush and the texture matches the wall. Avoid heavy sanding that creates low spots. Always remove dust with a damp cloth, let the surface dry, and then apply a dedicated drywall primer or an elastomeric primer that seals both paper and compound to prevent differential absorption that causes cracking. When installing a new anchor or replacing the damaged one, avoid introducing movement by using the correct anchor type for the load and tightening only until snug, not until the wall bulges. Finally, wait at least 24 to 48 hours after priming before painting, and use paint with some flexibility, such as latex paint formulated for interiors to accommodate minor movement. Common mistakes are painting directly over a patch that feels dry on the surface but has not fully cured, which leads to cracking. The fix is to allow full cure time for the compound and verify by touch and by ensuring no residual tackiness. Another frequent error is failing to feather and feather enough, creating a sharp edge that will show through paint and crack. Address this by adding thin skim coats out to a wider radius and sanding smooth, so the paint film is continuous. A third issue is using the wrong anchor or over-tightening, introducing stress that transfers to the repair and breaks the paint. Use the appropriate anchor rated for the load, space the screw properly, and tighten just until secure so the wall does not compress or flex. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides tools to post projects and read peer experiences, so we help match needs with available pros. We also host an active discussion community where we share repair tips and trade knowledge so contractors can find work and homeowners can learn practical guidance.